Welcome to Wilton Auto and Tire Center. Let me bring you in and show you around.
At Wilton Auto and Tire Center, you'll enjoy the old-fashioned service you've been missing, and the precision of modern-day technology that keeps your car running smoothly. We make car care easy by offering text message communication, digital courtesy inspections, loaner cars, and loyalty rewards.
We would love for you to come down and give us a try if you have not already. We truly want to be your one-stop shop for automotive service and repair. From emission testing, oil changes, tire repairs, check engine lights, drivability problems, engines, transmissions, there's not a whole lot that we can't do. Okay, well, thanks for visiting Wilton Auto and Tire Center and taking a look at our facility here. We just want to let you all know we hope to see you. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, please reach out to us or come by and say hello.